Kind of everything. Is this really 6 feet? I'm not sure. Let's see. Oh yeah, okay. Yes, I'm using an IKEA bookshelf to open my door. Or not even a bookshelf, just a regular shelf. Floating shelf. Moved it to the bed. So we can flip it this way and then turn it in flush against the wall because that's where I want it. Oh wow, this desk is so nice. Let's bring it up. LOL.
Welcome to my house, aka my room.
This is nice, but this table is just, oh. LOL. My sister bought this huge ass desk. Her bed.
Ignore the mess. Ignore the mess. Welcome to my house
Crib.
tour, aka my room tour.
Okay, let's now check this out though. This is the funny part. So right, she's above the ground.
Thanks for stopping by. See you later.
It's back into the ground she goes. LOL.
Here and virtually tonight.
Congratulations to you. That's a weird voice.
Rồi ba Win bà đi trước.
Okay, who got my cards? These are my cards.
Rõ rồi.
Same.
Chiến này bà thua hả? Rồi. Có phải giống vậy thì biết
It doesn't matter who can go, right? Or is it Julie or me?
Không có, bây giờ tới
Okay.
em rồi, tới con. Rồi tới con Win á. Con đi đi. Chuồng. 9 chuồng. Ủa vậy hả? 3 Win hả? Five diamond. Có 6 diamond Win. 6, 7, whatever.
Anything higher than a 5.
Yeah.
Don't play me.
Yes.
Yeah.
Rồi, tới chị hai.
I'm not gonna get in.
Đó con Win mà, giờ tới con đi á.
You're cruel and unusual. Dad, you have to turn your card over.
Which way do I want to go? Okay, I'll go this way. Julie, you don't buy in this round. You're out. Just me and Dad.
Rồi, ta chứ còn.
Okay,
You
ready?
determine
Rồi,
it. So whoever's higher, so you're obviously.
Trời quá.
No, it's okay. You can still play it. It's a bottom
Okay,
one
ready?
that counts.
Vậy chị hai Win.
You give me your money.
Do you Pocky?
You've been watching Screen Vision.
Okay, so we're gonna turn this way. I'm doing some cable management. You raise me up so I
can stand while working. You raise me up.